Foreign men is mostly they are uh, not cheater like some Filipino.
After that?
I had a relationship after 1 year
Mm.
who is also Filipino, but it doesn't work. After 1 year, I broke up with him because I found out that he's
Now,
cheater
tell me,
also.
what's your idea of a romantic date?
Just surprise me with
Oh, well, do you have like a dream romantic date?
just simple dinner date
Mm.
with candlelight.
Let's start the interview. So, great to meet you. Let's start with question number one. So, tell me your first name or your preferred name, your age, and where are you from in the Philippines?
I'm just call me Seni. Uh, I'm from Philippines. I'm living in the province of Nueva Vizcaya.
And tell me your
Uh,
age.
I'm 41 years old
Okay, thank
on
you.
October, this coming October.
Okay, gotcha. Now, describe a typical day in your life.
Typical day is just going to work, after work, then go home.
That's it? Okay.
That's not my routine. That's my
All
routine,
right.
mom.
Okay, gotcha. Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am. I have one daughter who is
Okay.
living with me.
Okay. Gotcha. Then tell me, Zani, so how has your dating life or your relationships been in the past?
Mm, actually, my husband, I'm separate with my husband since 2027. 2017, sorry.
Okay. And so have you had any boyfriends or relationship after that?
I had a relationship after 1 year
Mm.
who is also Filipino, but it doesn't work. After 1 year, I broke up with him because I found out that he's cheater also.
Oh, I see. Gotcha. Well, tell me, do you prefer a relationship with a foreign man or a Filipino?
Foreign man.
Can you tell me why? Why a foreign man?
Because as I watch some blog, ma'am,
Mhm.
uh, foreign man is mostly they are uh, not cheater like some Filipino that even they are with their wife, they still mm, cheating. So then I then I prefer foreigner man because I like their being kind to their partner
Okay.
based on what I'm watching some blogs, man.
Okay, based on the vlogs that you've watched. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, tell me.
Because I have also friend
Mhm.
who is married foreign man and
Okay,
they are living
got it. Now,
together.
is there like what's the maximum and the minimum age that you're willing to date?
Mm, 40 Oh, 48. I
40,
58.
40 to 58. Okay, gotcha. So tell me, Zenny, what do you bring to the table in a relationship?
Sorry, ma'am.
What do you bring to the table in a relationship? Let's say for a foreign man, in your opinion, what separates you from other Filipinas? What makes you unique?
Mm. Well, I can say that I'm honest to my future partner, ever, and family oriented,
Mm.
and I'm kind.
All right. So, what are you looking for in a partner? Both physically, um, what he looks, and what are his character traits?
First, I'm looking for a man who is not cheater, um, uh, kind to his partner, and family oriented as well. Then religious,
Mhm. How about physically?
responsible. Physically, it's not important uh, unless we understand each other.
Mhm. So is there like a certain country that you're looking for, or let's say the foreign man is on the heavier side? Is that okay with you?
It's from UK.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha. Now, tell me, what's your idea of a romantic date?
Mm, just surprise me with
Oh, well, do you have like a dream romantic date?
just simple dinner date
Mm,
with candlelight.
okay, candlelit dinner. Okay, gotcha.
Um,
Now, another question. If your ideal man, Zenny, if your ideal man, but I mean, for your ideal man, is there a certain monthly income that he should have for you to date him?
unless he have a permanent job, that's fine for me.
Okay. What is a reasonable salary that you would want your partner to make in pesos per month?
50, 50,000 in
50,000
peso.
pesos. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Got it. So tell me now, what is the biggest challenge that you've had to face in your life?
Biggest challenge is to uh, need to communicate, need to cope up the long distance communication before we meet in person.
Ah,
You
okay.
need you need to face that challenge.
Okay, so that's for the future. But how about in the past? What was your biggest challenge that you've had in your life that you've had to face before?
Mm. When I found out that my husband is cheating on me,
Okay. So how did you overcome it?
I overcome that uh, with the help of my family
Mm.
and some of my close friends.
Yeah.
And for the sake of my daughter, I did not do what uh, the to you know because that time I found out that my husband's cheating on me.
Mm.
I I tend to suicide,
Oh,
but
okay.
because
You're
of my family, health of my
mm.
family,
Mm-hmm.
I did not do that.
Okay,
And for
yeah.
the sake of my daughter,
Yeah. I see. Okay, yes. That's really big. But yeah, thank you so much for sharing that, Zenny. But now let's talk about the positive side of things. Okay. What is the biggest accomplishment that you've achieved, or what's something that you've done, let's say in the past 10 years or in the last 10 years that you're most proud of?
mm, I I cope up some problems like what my husband did to me, and
Mm.
I raised my daughter by going abroad.
Okay, you were in OFW before.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And even without his help, I raised my daughter.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good to know. You're such a strong, independent woman. That's good. Now, tell me, how would your friends describe you in 3 words? How would they describe you?
In 3 words,
Yeah.
oh, shy. I'm a shy woman,
Okay.
actually.
Mm-hmm. Two more.
And they say I don't know how to say.
Well, you
Yes,
can say it in Tagalog. Let's see.
maarte. They say
Okay.
maarte.
Mm,
Pihikans.
okay. Can you give me an example of pihikan? Sorry, I'm not sure.
Juicy.
Juicy,
Juicy.
okay. Got it. Mm-hmm.
But I'm not juicy, ma'am. I'm not juicy, actually. I just, I just, you know, I just, based on my experience, I just afraid to, when I got to a relationship again, it's
Mm-hmm.
gonna be happen
Mm-hmm.
again. So I need to choose.
Yeah, you choose wisely.
So yeah,
Okay.
that's
So you
why
mentioned
some of my friends say, yeah,
you're shy, a
some of
little
my
bit
friends.
choosy, and a little bit on the feminine side. Okay,
Yes.
gotcha. Now, what are your hobbies? Or, the things that you enjoy doing during your free time or when not at work?
Oh, during my day off, I just stay at home doing housework. And when I'm on the mood, I love to cook
Mm.
some Philippine food.
Okay. So you love cooking Filipino dishes. Do you have
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
have your favorite Filipino dish?
chicken adobo.
Adobo,
Yes.
okay. Got it. Yes, we all love that, right? Now, last
Yes.
question. If you meet the right man, how soon would you be ready to date him?
Sorry, ma'am.
If you meet the right man, how soon would you be ready to date him?
Mm, maybe this year, next year.
So if you found the perfect match, will you be ready to date him as soon as possible? As soon as you got the right man? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
All right. Great.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, well then thank you so much, Zenny. That's all the questions that we have for you today.